Hey everyone! Welcome back to Maddie's Creative Corner. It's so good to have you here. Today's video is going to be a little different than what I usually do. I usually go for longer nails, but today I wanted to show you a tutorial for short polygel nails that you can easily wear at the office, or if you're just more into short nails, you can go ahead and do that for yourself or ask your nail tech to do them for you. I will show you a little bit of nail prep if you're doing the nails at home. If you're not, I'm going to try adding like a timestamp. I'm not really sure how to do that, but I will try to do it so you can just keep the prep. But as you can see, the very first step I'm just buffing my natural nails. I have already prepped my cuticles and cut away the dead skin and pushed back everything. And I'm going to go ahead and add some dehydrator, which is essential before applying any gel or acrylic product, so that it ensures that all the oils are taken from the nail, that there's no moistures, and the nail is prepped to apply your primer and then start applying your product on. And this is the way that it lasts the most. You can go ahead and add 2 layers of dehydrator if you have a more oily nail beds, but be careful not to overdo the primer. 1 coat is okay. Just let it dry for a few seconds before you start applying your base coat. So I have been really enjoying rubber bases lately, and these ones are from a Greek company called Christian Artesio. And you can just use any rubber base you like. I'm almost out of this one. So what I do for my nails, because they are more on the thin side and I want to keep this set on for a few weeks, I go ahead and I slightly massage the brush, the product into the nail. So when you file or buff your nails, the surface of your nails, you create ridges, which then if you do that back and forth movement with your brush, it helps fill them in properly and settle the gel into the nail. So that's a really helpful tip if you have trouble keeping your nails on. Prep work is really important. And for today's nails, I'm going to be using nail forms. As you can see, I cut my nails down very short. I filmed this video very shortly after my move, and my nails were just non-existent from all the cleaning chemicals and lifting things and moving things around. Just broke them completely. So I gave them some time to grow. Now I have super long nails on again, and I kept it on for a couple weeks until my nails grew out a little bit and I was able to put my regular gel tips on, which you will see in a video coming up in like a couple weeks. I'm sorry I've been so slow with uploading, but I'm just honestly struggling so much to find free time. I work too many hours, and yeah. Anyway, I'm going to be using Polygel, as I said, and I like this Makartt one. In general, Makartt Polygels are really good. If I have a discount code for them if you want to get for yourself to get 15% off, I think it's Maddie15. You can just use it in the description, find it in the description and use it at checkout to get yourself a discount on your order. So what I did was directly from the bottle add a little small dollop onto my nail. I spread that out. I have a lot of videos showing you how to apply polygels on your natural nails, and you can just go ahead and rewatch these parts today if you want. But one thing that I do for short nails, mainly for short nails, because longer nails tend to mold a little easier, is use a pinching tool and pinch the sides of the nail to make sure that it creates a C-curve, and that makes the nail so much stronger. It in general, just a C-curve helps put more, how can I explain this? Like, it fixes the structure of the nail in a way that enhances the apex a lot, so it doesn't break easily. And it also kind of molds your nail underneath, so if your nail is short, it's not going to pop out as easily from a C-curved nail. They work much better for short nails in my opinion. Longer nails, you can go ahead and have them in a more flat nail bed. But yeah, as you can see, I'm just putting the, this is actually a pair of tweezers that I have. It's not even an actual pinching tool. I just place it on the sides of my nail, and I go ahead and I press only the nail. You should not touch this on your skin. You need to press pretty firmly and hold it there for a few seconds. And yeah, it's gonna set the nail right after you cure it. It's still warm, so by the time it cools down, it's gonna stay in place and keep that C curve and give your nail very good structure and help it hold for a while. So yeah, here you can see I'm just doing the last nail. You have to be careful with the cuticle area. I'm just slightly extending it above my natural nail. They're still very, very short nails. So yeah, it's super simple to put this together. You can just go ahead and follow the way that I built them, as I said. So yeah, that's all. Now I just went ahead and I filmed this and buffed them off camera. You can see they have a really good shape to them. And I went ahead and I just added some base coat to make sure that the color that I put on later is going to last. And these were fall nails. I know we're technically into Christmas season right now, but it's okay. I promise I'm gonna try finding time to make some Christmas designs. I actually have some really cute ideas, but I'm just really struggling finding and managing my free time. I just have too many things going on, and yeah, I don't want to like stop making videos, but if it comes down to me making them once a month, I hope you guys understand that I won't be able to post as frequently. It really pains me to say that. Anyways, I'm going to be using this color by Madame Glam. They sent it to me last year, I think, and I haven't used it a lot, so I thought it was a great chance. This is actually a cat eye. You can see when I turn the nail to the side, it has a purple hue to it, and if you use the magnet with it, it's going to turn like almost purple completely and just have these like orange ridges. But if you use it like this, it's orange. It's like the perfect pumpkin fall color. I love it. So I decided to use that. It's beautiful. It's metallic. It's super pigmented. I did 2 coats of that on 3 nails, full nails, and then the other 2 I did like a French manicure. And usually I would go for a thinner French tip, but I don't know, I kind of liked it. I just wanted to cover, because if you saw them up close, you could see where my natural nail finished, and it's exactly where the line is. So I just wanted to cover that. I didn't want to be like seeing my natural nail under it. You can use just a slightly more opaque base that's either a little darker or more pink to hide your natural nails completely under the French line, but it's okay. I went ahead and I also added some little cuticle pearls, and this is a great way to hide imperfections at the cuticle area. Just make sure that whatever gel you use doesn't touch your skin, because that can cause allergic reactions. So yeah, just go ahead and just go nuts. Add whatever caviar beads or pearls or any other decoration you like. You know that I always like to bling everything out a lot, so I added a lot of these and they were super cute. And I got these from Shein actually. They're like €3 or something, super cheap. Anyway, for the ring finger, I took my Vettsy white liner, I added some lines, and I made like a crisscross design. Kind of like reminded me of a sweater, but more like DIY. And my goal was to put this reflective glitter on top. This is from, I don't know how to pronounce their company name, Varnail. I know I'm killing it. I will just post a link to these in the description. I won these in a giveaway and I've been using them a lot. They're reflective liner gels. They're really, really cool. And I added that, and before I cured it, I added these little tiny pearls on top. And then of course I had to finish off with a top coat. This is I think from the Meffa nail polish kit. It was like the 23 gels. It's a pretty good top coat actually, and I like their matte top coat as well from this kit. From another kit that I used, a similar one, the base coat was smelling really, really bad, like really strongly. And this one didn't have a bad smell, so I really, really recommend this one. I liked it. And of course, you cannot forget to add some cuticle oil to nourish your cuticles. And here is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed today's video. It was quick. I hope you understood how to put the polygel nails together. I like short nails when, you know, I have to like type for long hours or do something like that, but all in all, I prefer longer nails, and I will mainly be making longer nail videos, but I will try to squeeze in some short nails now and then for those of you that like it. Let me know if you have any suggestions for other videos, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!